Hi, I'm Amanda Freitag, and on today's episode of At the Table, sponsored by Stop and Shop, I'm going to show you a recipe that I love for entertaining. Usually when I'm planning my menu, the protein is the star. But here's the twist. We're going to make it plant-based. I'm going to make a whole roasted cauliflower with a yogurt marinade, served with roasted garlic hummus and crispy chickpeas. So I take yogurt, which is a perfect marinade. It does so many things. It gives acid, it caramelizes in the oven, and it's such a great vehicle for flavor. We add garlic, and then spices. We're gonna add some turmeric for color, cumin, which I love with yogurt. This has kind of a Middle Eastern flair to it. Lime zest and lime juice. This citrus gives it a wonderful pop and really brings out the acidity of the yogurt. Okay, and then of course, we're gonna stir it up and slather it on. So we're just rolling this around in the yogurt, getting a little messy, which I actually really love in the kitchen. Get a nice coating, put it on your pre-oiled sheet pan. And I'm gonna give it a little bit of kosher salt. Get that nice, delicious seasoned crust. So I have my oven preheated to 400. This is gonna go in for about an hour, maybe an hour and 15 minutes until it's tender. So a fork or a knife goes right through. And it is gorgeous. Look at that golden brown crust on there. And that is only from yogurt. There's no flour, there's no breadcrumb. The beauty of this is that it's gluten-free. So I'm gonna plate it, and I'm putting this delicious roasted garlic hummus underneath. Even more protein. And I love hummus with just about anything, but I think people forget that this can be like your mashed potato or your vegetable puree. And I got this hummus, I got the chickpeas, I got everything online from Stop and Shop. You can pick it up or get it delivered. I love getting it delivered, honestly, because it saves me so much time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the cauliflower on top of the hummus. This beautiful presentation. Look at that. The hummus is just cradling the cauliflower. I like to put this on the table as a gorgeous, dramatic presentation, drizzled with olive oil. These delicious chickpeas that are crispy and crunchy. A little bit of cilantro goes with that Middle Eastern theme over the top. I hope you enjoyed this twist as an entertaining star on your table. To shop this recipe and more, go to stopandshop.com/atthetable. Bon appetit!